Plenty of ammo to spare. Also, the elites like to tease you. Mission 2, pistol only? Yeah.
What the fuck are you doing, you dumbass?
Weird there. Like, those voices weren't there in the last two matches.
What is it, a family fucking reunion?
It's really not even a soft reboot, i.e. it exists in the Ghostbusters universe. Like, these characters were of course using a Sony Handycam. What is this, 2006?
Up the improv. Just start saying anything, regardless of context.
Where does everybody in this lot have a fucking lobotomy?
Time to leave.
So beautiful, and I love this visual style that they're presenting. Someone on Twitter pointed out to me that in here you can actually see a
That's a fresh crash, too. I was thinking about doing that, but that mad lad actually did it.
AI game modes allow people.
Manual recording will now start.
Confronting the bad guy, being pushed backwards. Choose the form of your destruction.
Okay, what the hell are you doing?
Manual recording will now start.
Shooting.
Wow.